is Rumi, I want up, you're welcome to 9 Mile. I'm here to kidnap Eminem from the candy aisle. Spit my flow so sick, then he'll meet my bile. I'll devour him and his gang, num 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 style. You people envy my rhymes, as they should, but I also excel at making women feel good. They call me Blackbeard, back in the hood, cause I look like a pirate and my third leg's got wood. I'm gonna be bigger than anything, anyone, anywhere, that is why I need to become a billionaire. Buy all the ice cream and know I want freaking shit. Gonna become the heaviest beyond compare. Morgan Spurlock, such a Mexican, it didn't even start to thicken. Beat it up because time is ticking, I'm already lit for some fire stick licking. This should be impossible, get on your knees and idolize my lips. I'm moving faster than you're breaking, even analyze. I feel like ice with envy and the girls I feel with butterflies. Heteronormative, sorry, I apologize. I don't wanna wake up when I'm 55 and realize that even if I did succeed, I didn't telling people lies. So I just wanna tell you all that what you're seeing with your eyes is altered and sped up and trustful. That's on the internet, guys.